Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Rashid. I have been teaching in Degree College Sakkar for the last 6 years. In the present condition of pandemic, the Education Department Government of Sindh has initiated a YouTube channel. You can visit it, and we have also been directed to make the video since we have been teaching for many years. And today I am going to share with you the phrasal verbs which have been taken out of the text 1, the first lesson, the first chapter. And the phrasal verbs are most important. These phrasal verbs have been taken from the intermediate lesson. This is the first chapter, and with the passage of time I will be sharing with you a lot of other things as well. So this is my first video. I'm sure you will enjoy this lecture. Let's get started to learn the phrasal verbs of the text 1. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Rashid Eman Mirani Senior. I am posted as Degree College Sakkar. Today I am going to teach you the phrasal verbs which have been taken from lesson text 1. This is the text 1, lesson 1, chapter 1, intermediate English. And these phrasal verbs are most important. So today we are going to talk about the phrasal verbs, how they are going to be used. I have made some of the sentences to just make you clear, and these phrasal verbs are most important. The first sentence is, he has taken over a charge of headmaster. Now see, the word is take over. Take over means to take a charge of a seat. Normally, when any officer takes a charge of something, we always use the word take over. Our principal has taken over a charge today. So take over means to take the charge of a seat. The second word is take place, which means to happen. Something that happens, we normally use the word take place. This phrasal verb is the second one. Last night an accident took place. Take place, the second form of the verb take place is took place. This is the second form, and the third form is taken place. You can also use the word occur, but I have used the word to happen. The third phrasal verb is take up, which means to lift or to start to engage in some activities. These phrasal verbs are basically taken out of the lesson, that is the text 1. At the end of the text 1, you can simply have all these phrasal verbs of intermediate English. My friend took up my bag when I reached Karachi. Now, to lift something. He has taken up some responsibilities of his family. Now, I have already told you, take up has two meanings. The first meaning is to lift, and the second meaning is to engage in some activities. So my second sentence is, he has taken up some responsibilities of his family. The fourth sentence is take after, which means to resemble. Resemblance of the face of somebody else is called to take after. Ali takes after his elder brothers. It means his face resembles with his brother. So take after means resemble. Now we have a second slide. Now these are the 4 as well, 4 ones as well. So I'm going to make you clear as to how we can use all these phrasal verbs. Take down. It means to note down. My students always take down whatever I teach in the class. Whatever I teach in the class, my students always note down. It means they take down everything what I teach in the class. The fifth one is take in, which means to understand something, take in. All the students must take in the lecture while the teacher teaches. While the teacher teaches, you must try to do your utmost to take in. It means to understand. When you take in something out of the lecture, you will surely understand. The meaning of take in means to understand. Now this is the word. Take off. It means to fly or to remove. It has two meanings as well. Take off has the two meanings. An aeroplane took off at 3 p.m. It means to fly. take off means to fly. The second meaning of take off, my son took off his shoes after coming back from school. It means he removed his shoes when he came back from the school. Taken on, this is the last one, taken on, to engage someone for an employment. The meaning, the word phrasal verb is taken on. My brother needed a job, that's why he has been taken on. He was in a search of a job, now he has been taken on. It means he has been engaged for an employment. So these are the phrasal verbs of the lesson first, text first, chapter first, and these phrasal verbs are most important. You must keep in the mind. So this is for today, and inshallah I will be sharing with you a lot of other lectures related to English. So this is for today, and keep sharing these videos with your friends as well. These are the lectures which are uploaded.